nouns. N-O-U-N-S, nouns. Okay, so now what are nouns that we will see? Nouns are naming words for people, places, things, animals and birds. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words. Naming words is for people. Now many people are there, we give them a name, so it becomes that people name, a specific name. Places. Now there are many places all over the world, right? There are many places in cities also. So specific name if we give them, so that place has a name for that. Then things. Things we say, just we call them, we have randomly that this is a thing, right? But if in a pencil box I say carry a pencil box, but in the pencil box what do you have? You have a pencil, scale, eraser, sharpener, right? So that thing's name you are giving it to what do you carry in a pencil box. Animals. Now all wild animals, domestic animals, even water animals, all are called animals. But if we give a specific name, in a jungle which animal lives, and they are called wild animals, and domestic animals are those animals which are kept as pet at home, like cat, dog, goat, sheep, right? So that is animals. And birds, even for the birds, every day we see birds are flying in the sky, but sometimes we name that bird. You see that eagle is flying so high, but eagle is a bird only, but we are naming that bird with a name is given eagle or a sparrow or a parrot. So what are nouns? Nouns are naming words for people, places, things, animals and birds. So today we are going to learn two nouns. As there are many nouns, but today we are going to learn two nouns. The two nouns are common noun and proper noun. What are the noun names? Common noun and proper noun. C-O-M-M-O-N, common, N-O-U-N, noun, common noun. P-R-O-P-E-R-N-O-U-N, proper noun. So today we will learn two nouns. First we will go to what is common noun. Now a common noun talks about people, places and things in general. As I told you, you will find a crowd of people somewhere in a wedding or a place or a public place, any, right? But if you want to find your uncle or somebody in that group or in a crowd of people, you will tell that name. You will find the person with the name. So a group of people, a crowd of people, where we find is in a people are what? Common noun talks about people, places and things in general. As I told you, people means where do we find people? A crowd of people. Okay. Now in a wedding we have gone. Now there are too many people, but in that crowd, in many people you want to find a special person or someone who you are searching. So you will give that name, so you will come to know about it. Now place. As place also I told you, there are many places, Anand, Surat, Baroda, Ahmedabad. So if you are talking about place to someone, okay, today I visited a place, but your friend will ask which place you visited today, right? So you have to name that place. Then things. Things means what? As I told you, okay, you carry a pencil box or pencil pouch every day to school, but what do you carry in that things? So all these are what? General things. All these are called general things. Talks about people, place and things in generally. We don't specify the names. All common things. See, if in a house two twins are staying, if two twin girls are there, so your parents will bring the same dress, same things for both the girls who are twins. Exactly. So it goes like that. In general, means all common things. Now, what is the second point? Common nouns do not begin with a capital letter. Always remember, a common noun does not begin with a capital letter. It always begins with the small letters only. Now example boy, B-O-Y, boy. In a class, if I want all the boys to stand up, I'll say all the boys please stand up. But if I have work with one boy, I will call out that boy, Pradeep please come here, or Jamin please come here. So that boy I have in generally it is a common. But if I have a work with that boy, I will name that boy. Now same with girl. A girl, if a girl is playing in a colony or in a garden, if your parents or your aunt or somebody knows you, wants to call you, so they will name you. They will call you by your name, Sheila, Rita, right, like that. But if all the girls are playing, it is a common, it is a general thing. City. City means what? Today I gone to this city, today I gone to that city, today we have planned to go to this city for a picnic. But here, what city? So many city comes. What? Here, so many cities comes, such as Anand, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Surat. All these are cities. So you visited in one day only all the cities? No, you have to specify the name of the city which you are going to visit. You have to give the name. Now month, M-O-N-T-H, month. Month means what? Okay. You have month, there are 12 months in a year, but which month you get Diwali vacation, which month is summer vacations, month names are given. So this month is general only, but when you are going out, you will say December I will go to celebrate Christmas, or in November, October, November Diwali comes, so I go to my granny's place or at my aunt's place. So month means what? Giving the name. January, February, March, April, May, like that. The next is what? Teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Teacher means what? If you have a work with the teacher, if you call, excuse me teacher, excuse me madam. So many madams are there with you. So all the madams will look at you, okay, which teacher work you have. So for this, you have to give the name of the teacher. All are teacher only, all are madam only, all are sirs only. But if you have specific work with one teacher, one madam specially, you have to name that teacher. So that teacher work, you have to, that teacher checks your work. If you have a work with English teacher, the English teacher name is given. If you have work with Hindi madam, Hindi teacher name is given. Or Gujarati. If you have a work with Gujarati teacher, then you have to specify the name of the teacher, because she is a Gujarati subject teacher. So here you have to name the subject teacher completely, perfectly. If you say teacher or madam, so all are teacher over here. All are teacher over here. So all the teachers are common over here. But if you have a specific work with a subject teacher, so you have to say the name, or you have to give the name of that subject teacher. Okay. The common noun will do what is a proper noun. A proper noun is the exact name of a particular person, place or thing. Proper noun is what? A is the exact name of a particular person, place or thing. Now if you want to meet a particular person, we should know the name of that person who you want to meet. If you are going to any place, the exact name of that place should be there, because there are so many places, so many persons are there. So which you want to meet, for that you have to specify the exact name. And things. A thing means if you are going in a market or in a mall, you have to decide what you have to purchase. You cannot purchase each and everything that is seen. You have to keep in your mind. You have to give that name to that thing, what you want, what you decided or what you want to purchase. All proper noun begin with capital letters. Now all proper noun begins with capital letters. Now what it means? You should always keep in mind that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter, while common noun do not begin with a capital letter. Over here, a common noun do not begins with a capital letter, but a proper noun begins with a capital letter. So whenever you start a name of a person, place or thing, it should be mentioned in a capital letter. Only first letter should be capital. Now we will see to the example. R-A-M, Ram. So R is capital. T-I-N-A, Tina. T टीना is capital. A-N-D, Anand. Anand का A is capital. January, January, January. January, J is capital. Now Miss Neha, M-I-S-S-N-E-H-A, Neha. So M is also capital, N is also capital. So over here you can see in common noun what we learn. They do not begin with capital letter. Now B-O-Y, ball, B-O-Y, ball. So boy I have given a specific name, R-A-M, Ram. So if you want to meet that boy only, I call that boy, Ram, please come here. Please do this for me, help me out, right? I will not call all the boys. The work of the boy which I have, I given the name and I call that boy with the name. Now girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Over here girl name is Tina, T-I-N-A, Tina. So I have given the name to that girl Tina. If I have worked with that girl, I will call out the girl. If I have to give common instruction, then all the girls please come here and say and I give the common instruction. But if I have the work of an individual person, then I will call out that name with a name I have given a name. So the name is Tina. So I call out Tina only for a particular work. Now city. Now city, there are so many cities, Anand, Bharuch, Ahmedabad, Baroda, right? Now there are so many. In which city do you have work? In which city do you want to go today? Or in which city you are planning to go? So you have to specify the name of the city. You cannot say today I am going to the city. Now there are so many cities, so you have to decide which city you have planned to go. So city name I place over here, Anand, A-N-D, Anand. So here A I have written capital. Now month, M-O-N-T-H, month. Now there are 12 months in a year. So many months come. Now you are planning to go for Diwali vacation or you are planning to go to your native place for kite festival, right? So it comes in January month, right? So you will, if you want to go, you tell your friends that this time I am going for kite festival at my native place or my uncle's house or my grandparents' house, because over there kite festival is enjoyed a lot. So in which month it comes? It comes in January month. So for that I specify the month name and I have written capital J for that because it is a pronoun and it is the name of the month. It has been written J capital. Now for your teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Now if student has a work with a teacher, if she goes in the staff room or he goes in the staff room. So there are in a school there are so many teachers are there. All teachers are given subject also. So there are different subject teachers. So if a boy or a girl has work with the teacher, they will specially go to that subject teacher only, English, Hindi, Gujarati, Maths, EVS, right? So that person who goes to that teacher with the name is Miss Neha. If the boy or girl, if the student is having a work with the teacher, so the student will not call everyone because he doesn't have work with all the teachers. He has a specific work only with one teacher. If Miss Neha is taking EVS or English, so he will have the student will have the work with that specific teacher. So here the teacher is common. It may be a male teacher or female teacher. The word is common for all the teachers. But which subject teacher work you have, that name you should mention. So it is Miss Neha. Here N is also capital, N is also capital over here. So I hope students will follow this exercise very well. Thank you.